Today I'm going to show you a quick unbox of this Samsung QLED monitor. It's a curved version, 34-inch. The model number is CJ79. It has Thunderbolt and also some functionalities such as USB Type-C, 21 by 9 ultra wide screen. Thunderbolt, I told you already, is a quantum dot for better picture and colors, and picture by picture functionality as well. It's compatible with Windows, Samsung DeX, and probably Mac as well. Anyway, right. So what I'm gonna do, I will probably not gonna review this monitor yet, but it's just to show you what is inside the box. It's a brand new monitor. I got this from Amazon. It's around £800. I'm not sure how much it will be in US dollars, but right, I'm gonna speed up, take out all the stuff in the box, and I'll show you what's coming inside. Okay, I'm back in. So this is the monitor itself. Comes with this protection. It's a little phone protection. Wow, look how massive this screen is. Right, so at the back there is a 2 USB port. Let's see if I can zoom in. Right, so 2 USB port, and this is for the headset. There's a door here, which is, bring the camera closer. So is 24 volts power supply, HDMI display port. This is USB, is a Thunderbolt, two doors, 2 ports, and this is for probably, it says service, I'm not sure what that is, and that is the specification, model number, and everything. Right. It came with dresser mount. This is sorry, I'm a little bit struggling with this, holding a camera. this is the best mount for the screen. Power cable, UK version, because I'm in UK. And this is the power supply, which is 24 volts. Let's have a look on the specs. Yeah, this is the specs for the power supply. Okay, right. Also, it came with this box. It's a accessory kit. So let's have a look what's inside. Okay, so I'm going to bring the camera closer. So inside the box there is a HDMI cable. It's a quite nice quality cable, probably because it's high speed. Yeah, it's a high speed. I don't know if you can see, it's a high speed HDMI. Yeah, premium high speed. Okay. What else? Yeah, this is a USB type C for Thunderbolt, and the European power cable. Okay, and these are the control, which is at the back of the screen, just right here. And also you can adjust the height of the monitor, but you can't rotate the monitor. You have to rotate all, you know, all the support in order to rotate it. So yeah, I believe for some people this is quite annoying because you have to rotate everything. And yeah, for the height you have to do like this, apply some force on top or at the bottom. Yeah, let's have a look closer. This is massive. It's a nice silver touch. Yeah, that is great. Here it says Thunderbolt, Samsung, and some other. Look how thin the board is. Basically it's just literally a small line on top, and just on the bottom is like this. Right, okay, so I'll probably do some kind of review on it, so stay tuned and subscribe for more videos. And if you like, just hit the like button, subscribe, and make sure to click on the bell to get the notifications. See you on my next video. Bye.